Hi, you've seen that thumbnail and you're here because you're looking for a loan. So today we're going to talk about three places whereby you can get an online loans. So online loans are different from what I've been talking about, the apps and the USSD code loans, right? So today we'll discuss more about online places or websites whereby you're going to get loans in just 5 minutes if you are here in Kenya. In case this is your first time and this is the kind of videos that you have been looking forward to, make sure you're grabbing that seat and watch the video until the end. Also, in case you're new here, kindly don't forget to hit that subscription button, because anytime I do a video, YouTube will always notify you through a notification that this girl have done this video. Also, in case you're watching this video for the second time, the third time, most welcome back to this channel, and let's appreciate my work by just clicking that like button, because YouTube will always recommend it out there. So in case you're here for the first time, this is Dop Vlogs and my name is Doreen. In Dop Vlogs, we talk about loans, we talk about real estate, best places you can invest your money and make money or interest every year or every month. We also talk about best websites that you can just work and get paid in, either at the end of the day, at the end of the month, at the end of the week, or anytime that you want. We also talk about anything that relates finance, right? So in case that's the kind of future videos that you have been looking forward, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So let's jump into today's topic. What's an online loan, or who are online lenders? So online lenders are just kind of loans that are not directly from traditional sources or banks, right? So in case you see me here looking down and you're new here, just note that I always have a diary with me whereby I write anything that I want to discuss with you so that I may not miss on any point. So who are online lenders? Let me repeat that. This is any kind of loan that is not directly from a traditional bank or a traditional sources. We know that most of us always get loans from bank, from Kitambo, right? So we used to get loans from bank whereby you just go there physically and get a loan. But things have changed right now. People are using new things to get access to loans, right? So online lenders or loans are those loans that you're not going to get them traditionally, or rather you can just use your phone or any website and stuff, right? So specifically online lenders that I'm going to talk about, you cannot access them through USSD code and you cannot access them through apps, right? Yeah, so I've discussed about who are online lenders, guys, and the different types of loans that they're going to give you. It's either emergency loans, school fees loans, logbook loans, car loans, house loans, right? Yeah, so those are the kind of loans that these people will give to you. So the first place or the first website that you can get a loan, just go to your Chrome, make sure that you have an internet and you have an Android phone, or you have a computer or a tab, right? So the first place you can get a loan is called Opesha Solutions. Opesha is OPESHA Solutions, right? They have a blue logo on Chrome. Just go to Chrome and type opeshasolutions.com, right? So these platforms empowers people with access to credit, loans, and microfinance. It's a digital lending platform that offers loans, microfinance, and mobile phones, right? I hope you have understood what they do. Yeah, so they offer digital loans. You can get them through the website that I've talked about. Please don't go to Play Store and please don't dial anything, because you're just going to get them on our website. So the kind of loans that they're giving out is logbook loans. They also give agriculture loans, school fees loans, guarantor loans. Most of you will ask, who is a guarantor loan? A guarantor loan is someone maybe who has been saving, because Opesha also gives loans on they also give a platform whereby you're supposed to save if you want. So if you have a friend who have been saving there and you need an emergency loan, that friend can guarantee you, because when someone guarantees you a loan, anything that they have saved, they are risking it so that you can just get a loan. In case you're not going to repay that loan in future, their savings will just go like that. So they also give title deed loans. They give emergency loans that I've talked about. An emergency loan is a loan that it's just upfront, right? you have not planned for it, something just came up and you really need this money. They also have biashara loans. So biashara loans are thus these loans that you need to start a business, you don't have stock, or you just have a project in mind and you don't have someone to fund you. So Opesha can fund you, right? So I hope you have understood. And where to get Opesha loans, you just go to Chrome and you dial opeshasolutions.com. They have a website, you'll see their contact. If you want to contact them right now, you can just dial 0705 460 0705460 0705460 You can also send them an email at info@opeshasolutions.co.ke. info@opeshasolutions.co.ke. The website I've talked about is opeshasolutions.co.com, .co.ke, or opeshasolutions.com, right? So if you want to find them, just go to Chrome and you'll find them. Kindly make sure you're subscribing to this channel if you have watched me till this far, because you'll always gain and you'll always learn about loans. You'll always learn about advantages and disadvantages of taking a loan. And make sure that when you get these loans, just make sure that you're going to repay them on time, so that your credit score will not go down, simply because in future you may need an bigger loan to go to the bank. And if you've been not paying these loans, that will just make you get denied for that loan, right? So make sure you're repaying this loan on time. So the second one is Little Pesa. Little Pesa is LITTLE. Little Pesa Microfinance, right? So Little Pesa Microfinance is a non-deposit taking finance which was found in 2018, and it started operating in 2019 January, right? So the borrower can buy product from selected retail shops up to 300,000. So what Opesa has done, or Little Pesa has done, is that if you want to start a business and maybe, for example, you don't have stock, they'll give you a place where they have collaborated with some retailers or some people who sell in wholesale, so that when you need this stock and you want to start a business, you don't have this stock, these people will tell you to go and take the stuff that you want of up to 300,000 Kenyan shilling, and they will offer that, so that you'll be repaying it in monthly installments. So I think Opesa is not for those people who want cash at hand, because they'll just give you best retailers who have collaborated with them, and they're going to take goods worth 300,000. So you can also check them on Chrome, littlepesa microfinance.com, right? So they give two types of loans. There is short-term loans, which is given, you're supposed to return them within 7 to 15 days. They'll give you also a limit of 300,000 up to 300,000, right? So the interest percent is 6%, which you're going to, it's a short-term loan. So you're supposed to return this loan within 7 to 15 days, right? The other product is flexible loans. Flexible loans also, they'll give you a 300,000 up to 300,000 loan limit. The interest rate is 4.5 per month. Supposed to repay this loan within 3 to 12 months. So if you just need stock that will last you for some time, and if you want to repay the loan slowly, you can take the flexible loans, which you have been given 3 to 12 months to repay the loan. But if it's something that you want to return just instantly, you can just take an emergency of 7 to 15 days, which is a short-term loan. It has a lower limit, lower interest rate, and it will work for you, right? If you want to contact them, you can contact them at through the email info@littlepesa.com, or you can just contact them through phone 0746 510 778. If that one will not work for you, you can also contact them through 0746 570 781, right? So you can always check Little Pesa on Chrome. When you go to Chrome, just dial littlepesa-microfinance.com, and the website will just be here, and it will guide you, it will direct you on how to go on about it. This is my second product that I'm talking about. You haven't subscribed, right? Please just make sure you're subscribing. The subscription button is on your left or right, depending on what you're watching me with. Please make sure you become a family, so that we will always learn about finance. Ask questions on the comment section. I'll always answer them. And most importantly, please don't forget to like this video so that YouTube will recommend it out there to someone who is in need of such content, right? So the last one is called Fin Credit. So Fin Credit is FIN, then credit. So the advantage about Fin Credit, if you're watching me and you are in Uganda, kindly just note that Fin Credit operates in Kenya and also in Uganda. It's the only product in Kenya that operates both in Uganda and Kenya. So that's an advantage for someone who is outside Kenya and who is in Uganda alone. So they started operating in 2000, January in 2000, and they operate in Kenya and Uganda. As I've told you guys, they give out products like employee loans. So for those people who are employed and they're looking out for loans, you can always try on Fin product. They'll just ask you for an employment number and stuff. There is also logbook loans. If you out there, you have a car and you're looking for a loan, your logbook can be a security to get a good amount of money. They have business loans for those people who are in business and they want to add more stock, or for those people who want to start a business, they have a project and they don't have someone to fund them, right? They also have asset finance loans for those people who want assets and stuff. So they also have insurance, so they deal with insurance covers and stuff. So you can also invest with them, right? If you want to contact them, it's through 0735 88 0417, 0735 88 0417, or 0722 42 50 50, 0722 42 50 50. You can also email them at credit@fincredit.co.ke. Whenever you hear me saying .co.ke, just know that this is a website, right? Any website will have a .co and .ke. If this is new for you, I know I have educated you with that. So if you're looking forward for any loan, kindly just check on those 3 products that I've talked about. And if you have been looking for any online hustle, just check on my previous videos. I've always talked about best places, best websites. We have talked about best businesses ideas that you can start with less than 5,000 and you can make at least 2,000 every day, right? So guys, in case you haven't subscribed, I'm also reminding you to not forget to subscribe to this channel, because you'll always get a notification of my future videos, and we're going to go on this journey together. So until the next time, make sure you're liking this video and make sure you're trying on this product. Please comment down on the comment section and like this video, right? So ciao for now.